gifted, passionate, and eccentric Hubble rapidly gained a name for himself in the world of astronomy. But it wouldn't be until 1923 that he would discover something in what was then known as the Andromeda Nebula that would reveal the true scale of our universe. I've come to the University College London Observatory to meet astronomer Dr. Steve Fossey to see for myself just what Hubble's revelation was.
Then we're going to key in the coordinates of Andromeda to the console here.
So 0 hours, 43 minutes.
For Hubble and his assistant, Milton Humason, studying Andromeda was a long and painstaking process. But today, we can quickly locate and photograph it in great detail.
So this is an image that we took a couple of weeks ago.
Right.
And if I zoom in, you'll see just there is the Hubble Cepheid, the first Cepheid that he found that unlocked the whole problem.
Because presumably that's when he could use Leavitt's method of working out how far away it is.
Exactly. Once he'd seen this and identified it as a variable, he then had the key to determining just how bright that object was.
And worked out that it couldn't have been in our own galaxy, it had to be millions of light years away.
Absolutely, that's exactly it. And you see the nuclear region, but as we adjust the contrast here, I can stretch the contrast just to bring out some of the detail in the galaxy.
Wow,
spiral arms.
Yeah.
You see the dust lanes in silhouette against the billions of stars that are within Andromeda there.
By finding one of the variable stars in Andromeda and measuring exactly how long it took to pulse, Hubble was able to use Leavitt's work to calculate exactly how far away it was. This is the photographic plate where Hubble marked his new Cepheid variable star. Using it, he calculated that Andromeda was many, many times more distant than the furthest reaches of the Milky Way. Andromeda was indeed an island universe, a vast galaxy of stars. We now know that Andromeda is over 2.5 million light-years away. This means that the light that reaches us from Andromeda today left on its journey before modern humans had evolved.
That's our neighbour.
That's our neighbour, that's our nearest large galactic neighbour.
I have to remember that what I'm looking at here is the real thing. These are photons that have travelled millions of years to reach my eye.
Exactly.
I think these are photons directly from Andromeda that are arriving in my eye.
Today, we have the power to see Andromeda as Hubble had only dreamed of. We now estimate that Andromeda contains over 1 trillion stars. And it's just one of a vast multitude of galaxies scattered throughout our universe.